Right here I have these awesome ergonomic bar stools that are going to be perfect for you. What's up guys, my name is TJ. Today I'm going to be reviewing these super ergonomic bar stools that are very comfortable and look amazing. This is going to be a mid-century modern look, and these are going to be 26 inches in height from the bottom of the bar stool to the seat. Just for reference, my countertop is 35 inches, so I'm very comfortable on here. I don't feel like I'm hunching over, and it definitely gives me a lot of room to feel nice and comfy when I'm eating food and hanging out with friends and family. I especially love these bar stools because they have a 360-degree swivel. It's honestly the best because when you have friends and family over, you can swivel around and be included in the conversation. It's very smooth swivel as well. We also get almost 3 inches of cushion in the actual seat itself. These don't feel like I'm bottoming out whatsoever. It's going to be very, very comfortable. As I was assembling these chairs, it probably took me 5 to 10 minutes per chair. Super easy. The directions are easy to follow as well. And it does come with all the tools necessary, so you don't need to use your own. Definitely loved how high quality everything looked when I was assembling it. These are going to be the cream color. You also get these in black, and you can get these with the rattan option in the back. This is going to be the solid, but if you get the rattan option, it's going to have a PE material on there that's going to feel really nice. This is going to be a PU leather, so it's going to be a faux leather, but this leather is going to be very durable, easy to clean. You can just wipe it with a damp cloth, and it's honestly just going to go right back to normal. The stitching on here is amazing. I didn't see one loose thread. It looks like it was built manufactured with a lot of high quality in mind. Now the wood is going to be a faux wood, but it is going to be a certified engineered wood, which is going to ensure that it's going to be very durable and very sturdy. Now on the bottom, we're going to have a beautiful accent with the black metal. This is going to be a matte black finish, and I just love how it looks on the base of the seat. It has a really nice footrest as well, so if I am looking over at somebody else or turning in the conversation, I also get a footrest on this side. So I absolutely love that. Very dynamic, and we also get an anti-tip kit on the bottom of these legs, so you can adjust these to make sure that they don't teeter-totter and they're sitting nice and level all the time. With this model, I do love how they have the wood on the back. It just provides a really good contrast against this cream, and we do have like an open back design. This is not going to be connected, so this is actually a really good height too. So when I was leaning back on it, it's a lot of good support, very ergonomic, and it kind of has like a wing back on here, so it's going to keep you nice and locked in when you're spinning around and moving on the chair. Now with these being a mid-century modern look, I think they fit the style of my house very good. I love the colors so much. These look absolutely amazing, and I'm very happy with them. If you guys are looking for a bar stool that is going to be perfect for your home, your diner, your coffee shop, you could put this in a basement. This is going to be absolutely perfect for you. Make sure you check out all the other colors and the style options. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.